Good day everyone, I'm Nicole and Alzaga from DCIT55C. Today, I will present to all of you my enrollment system. First, let's talk about the ERD or what we call Entity Relationship Diagram. I have two entities here, the enrollment form which present for a student and subject entity. Enrollment form attributes consist of the important details of a student, and subject attributes consist of the details of it. And I also put the fee for the subject here. Now, let's go to the front end and back end. The login page. Login page where the user will input their student ID and password to enter the main system. But as you can see below, if you are not enrolled yet, there's a link where you can register for the university. And here's the code for the login page, where the system will look for the user if they are in the database. Next is the enrollment form. Enrollment form where you will type all your details so that you can be enrolled in the system. This is the code for the enrollment form. Button grouping. Button group manages the selected and unselected state for a set of buttons. The button group also guarantees that only one button can be selected at a time. Next is the selections. Selections where you will pick in the combo box and get the value of which selected it is. Lastly, from the enrollment form, it is where the button connects to the database and executes the query to insert the newly enrolled student in the system. Next is here's the menu form. Menu form where you can select the three buttons, which are add subject, update form rather, and print the registration form. You can also log out here after using the system. Here's the code for the menu, which shows that you can transfer the data into another frame. Next is the update form, where you can update your information whether there's a mistake on one of your details, and this is the code for the updating the form. Subject form. Here you can add subjects one at a time, and you can select subjects from the right side, including the time, units, and the day. Here is the code to insert the newly added subject for the student. Lastly, the registration form where the student take a view of their details, including their payments. And this is the code for the registration form where you can compute the fees.
Now, we're gonna proceed to the simulation of my system. We will enroll to the system, so we will click the link for enrollment form. Imagine the student ID is given already by the school. You will select which course, year, section, and semester you are in. While creating the enrollment form, you are required to create the password so you can enter the system. Then after that, you will navigate to the starting page and type your student ID and password to enter the system. We will choose the Add Subject form and select subjects from the right side. As I've said earlier, it is one-by-one execution to add the subjects from the student. And when you're done, you will click back and select the registration form to see the total amount of your tuition fee and also your subject details. Then we will log out once you're done. Now, let's try when there's a mistake in your details. You will directly log in, then navigate to the menu and click Update Form when you feel that there's a mistake in any of your information. And after you click the Submit button, the registration form will automatically pop up.